chances are you're looking now to get Discord Nitro for free. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can get the original Discord Nitro for free. But before we start, consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on any content. With that being said, let's begin. Okay, the first thing you want to do is head over to Epic Game Store and then enter Discord Nitro. Links will be provided in the description below. Now click on Get. Now just press yes and agree. Now you can cancel this. And now this will give you Discord Nitro for 3 months. Allow up to 24 hours for your confirmation code to be delivered to your email. After you have got your email, click on the link and scroll down until you find Redeem Now. Log into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Otherwise, once you've done the process, you won't be able to get a refund or exchange it. Now, click Next. Attach a payment type. Some of you may not have credit cards or any card form at all. So all you have to do is just log into this website and then you can get a trial card. The card has 0 balance, but doesn't matter because you're not paying anything. Also, if you're not from the US, make sure you have a VPN and switch it to USA, otherwise you won't be able to use the card. And then it will work. Make sure you choose the correct payment type and you agree to the terms and conditions and press Get Nitro Monthly. Once you have pressed Next, head over to your Discord account, head over to subscriptions and make sure your Discord Nitro is activated. It will be there for 3 months, so you don't have to do anything. And if you want to cancel it, just remove your card and press the cancel up here at any time. Also, if you head over to your profile, you'll see the Discord Nitro logo. But that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.